B-cell tumors often occupy the same site as their normal counterparts. Tumors retain many of the characteristics of the cell type from which they arose, especially when the tumor is relatively differentiated and slow-growing. This is clearly illustrated in the case of B-cell tumors. Tumors corresponding to essentially all stages of B-cell development have been found in humans, from the earliest stages to the myelomas that represent malignant outgrowths of plasma cells. Furthermore, each type of tumor retains its characteristic homing properties. Thus, a tumor that resembles mature germinal center or memory cells homes to follicles and lymph nodes and spleen, giving rise to a follicular center cell lymphoma, whereas a tumor of plasma cells usually disperses to many different sites in the bone marrow, much as normal plasma cells do, from which comes the clinical name of multiple myeloma. These similarities mean that it is possible to use tumor cells, which are available in large quantities, to study the cell surface molecules and signaling pathways responsible for homing behavior. The status of the immunoglobulin genes in a B-cell tumor provides important information on its origin. In particular, it tells us whether the B cell that gave rise to it has been through a germinal center. Tumors arising from lymphoid precursors, pre-B cells and B1 cells, the last of which is responsible for the vast majority of chronic lymphocytic leukemias, CLL, have V genes that have not undergone somatic hypermutation. By contrast, tumors of mature B cells, such as follicular lymphoma or Burkitt's lymphoma, the latter arising from germinal center B cells, express mutated V genes. If the V genes from several different Burkitt's lymphoma lines from the same patient are sequenced, minor variations, intraclonal variations, are seen because somatic hypermutation is ongoing in the tumor cells. Later stage B-cell tumors, such as multiple myelomas, contain mutated genes but do not display intraclonal variation. That is because by this stage in B-cell development, somatic hypermutation has ceased. And that's B-cell tumors often occupy the same site as their normal counterparts. Have a great day.